In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the nodes in MindNode thin. If your mind map feels a little heavy or cluttered, slimming down the visual weight of your connections can make everything look cleaner and easier to scan. This quick adjustment is perfect for minimal, elegant maps and for improving readability when you're viewing a lot of ideas at once. Start by selecting the node you want to refine. Just tap the node so it's highlighted. This tells MindNode, I want to change the style related to this part of the map. If you tap the canvas by mistake, simply tap the node again to reselect it. Keep in mind that the styling you're about to change will apply to the selected node's connections, so it's important to have the right node active. Next, open the styling tools by tapping the paintbrush icon, sometimes labeled as the Style Inspector. You'll typically find this at the top of the screen on iPhone and iPad, or in the inspector panel on a Mac. This is where MindNode keeps all the visual controls that shape how your map looks: colors, shapes, typography, and, for our purpose today, the thickness of lines that connect ideas. Once the Style panel is open, look for the section called Connections. Connections control the lines that link your node to its children or to related ideas. This is the area that determines how bold or subtle those lines appear on your map. If you don't see connections right away, expand the category so you can access all the options related to those linking lines. Now lower the line width. Drag the slider to the left to make the lines thinner. As you adjust, watch the canvas update in real time. A slight reduction often goes a long way. You'll notice the map instantly feels more open and airy. If you go too thin, the lines might become hard to see when you zoom out, so find a balance that looks crisp on your usual screen or print size. If you change your mind, you can always nudge the slider back to the right until it feels just right. That's all it takes. By tapping a node, opening the Style Inspector, heading into Connections, and lowering the line width, you've refined your map's visual hierarchy without changing any of your content. Use this approach whenever you want a lighter, more modern look, or to help the content itself stand out while the structure gently fades into the background.